This is a tutorial about how you will create and submit your final presentations for the group project. As a reminder, this is a change from what we were planning. This is based on unavoidable travel by some students in this class. So now, rather than presenting live in the classroom on the final exam period, you will all use this feature, VoiceThread, which I will demonstrate momentarily in order to create and pre-record your presentation, which you will then share with the class. And during that final exam period, which we are still utilizing, you will watch those pre-recorded presentations. And then for the students who are not traveling and who are in the classroom, we will have a question and answer session. So you will see this new link. This is VoiceThread. This will then take you out to our course homepage. You will see that there are no VoiceThreads until someone creates one. And then this is how I want you to go about this assignment. You will click Add Your Own and then create a new VoiceThread. And the majority of you will probably utilize PowerPoint. So you will click this button, you will find that PowerPoint from your computer, you will upload that, and then you will share that with the class. And then each individual group member will be able to add audio and or video as a comment over that. If you choose instead to record in PowerPoint itself, then you will simply upload that recorded PowerPoint utilizing this feature here. I'm going to demonstrate this, so I'm just going to randomly select a PowerPoint file here. Notice it will ask for a title. I'm just going to call it demo here. You don't need to add a description or a tag, but you do need to save it. And then you will be able to add comments. This piece right here, share and return to course, is crucial. Without clicking this button here, the rest of us will not be able to see or comment on this VoiceThread. So you'll notice that it's processing. Once it has processed, then I will be able to add the comment. And I can do that in one of 5 ways, as you see here. Notice this ABC I can type. This is my third most preferred method for you. The most preferred would be for you to record a video comment, or you can record solely an audio comment. And then my last preference would be for you to type a text comment. No matter what you do, please make it substantive. And by that, what I mean is if you're typing at least 5 sentences or a full paragraph, and if you are recording a comment, please make that at least 1 to 2 minutes in duration. So again, this is how you will be able to collaborate for this group presentation assignment, which we will then review during the final exam period in class. If you have any questions, please let me know.